Hello guys, I've just been doing a scientific experiment here in this office near the science rooms. It's quite fun. You're going to record my data for me and you're going to draw a graph of your data and see how well you can do those two things. Here's what I've been doing. I've counted the ants and how many have walked past me every single minute. I'm going to tell you how many ants there were at each time. You need to draw yourself a table so that you can record the time and the number of ants. Hope you're ready. At 0 time, when I started, there were no ants. At 1 minute, there was 1 ant. At 2 minutes, there were 2 ants. At 3 minutes, there were 5 ants. At 4 minutes, there were 13 ants. At 5 minutes, there were 24 ants. At 6 minutes, there were 35 ants. At 7 minutes, there were 40 ants. At 8 minutes, there were 35 ants. At 9 minutes, there were 24 ants. At 10 minutes, there were 13 ants. At 11 minutes, there were 5 ants. At 12 minutes, there were 2 ants. At 30 minutes, there was 1 ant. And at 14 minutes, there were no ants again. Okay. First of all, draw your table. You should have finished by now. Next, you need to draw a graph. The independent variable goes along the bottom of your graph. The dependent variable goes on the side of your graph. Use a sharp pencil and a ruler to help you draw the axes. You need to mark the axes in even-sized steps. You need to show the units with the labels on the axes. Now plot a small X for each of the pieces of data on the graph. You should have 15 small X's on your graph by the end. When you've done that, you're going to do a curve of best fit. That's a line which fits closely to your data points. Okay? Good luck. You've got 10 minutes.